A bomber is a combat aircraft designed to attack ground and naval targets by dropping air-to-ground weaponry such as bombs, launching torpedoes, or deploying air-launched cruise missiles. The first use of bombs dropped from an aircraft occurred in the Italo-Turkish War, with the first major deployments coming in the First World War and Second World War by all major air forces, causing devastating damage to cities, towns, and rural areas. Today we would like to present top 10 bomber aircraft in the world, so let's dive right in. At number 10 is the Tupolev Tu-195. Unlike modern fighters, strategic heavy bombers have longer operational lifespan. In the case of Tu-195BR, dating back to 1956, influenced by successful B-29, Tupolev scaled up the design to create the BR, a 4-engine intercontinental bomber. Provide impressive performance, capable of up to 574 miles per hour while reaching targets in excess of 9,000 miles away. Powered by two turboprop engines, it has a maximum speed of 925 km per hour or 575 miles per hour. Its ceiling is about 13,716 meter or 45,000 feet, and with a normal bomb load, its range is 15,000 km. The Tu-195 can carry a crew of 6 or 7 and is armed with single or double 23mm autocannons. It can carry a maximum bomb load of 15,000 kg or 33,000 pounds. The Tu-195 is being used by the Russian Aerospace Forces and has been made available to the Ukraine. Up next at number 9 is the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is an American long-range subsonic jet-powered strategic bomber. The B-52 was designed and built by Boeing, which has continued to provide support and upgrades. It has been operated by the United States Air Force since 1950s. The bomber is capable of carrying up to 70,000 pounds or 32,000 kg of weapons, and has a typical combat range of more than 40,000 km without aerial refueling. Powered by 8 turbofan engines, it has a maximum speed of about 700 miles per hour or 1,000 km per hour. Its ceiling is about 50,000 feet or 15,000 meter, and with a normal bomb load, its range is about 4.5 thousand miles or 7,000 km. The B-52 can carry a crew of 5 and is armed with single 20mm Vulcan cannons. It can carry a maximum bomb load of approximately 70,000 pounds or 31,500 kg. The B-52 is being used by United States Air Force. At number 8 is the Tupolev Tu-16. Tu-16, also called Beger, one of the principal strategic bombers of the Soviet Union. Designed by Andrei Nikolaevich Tupolev and first flown in 1952, more than 2,000 of the mid-wing monoplanes were built. Powered by two turbojet engines, it had a maximum speed of 652 miles per hour or 1,050 km per hour. Its ceiling was about 49,000 feet or 15,000 meters, and with a normal bomb load, its range was about 5,000 miles or 7,200 km. The Tu-16 carried a crew of 6 and was armed with 6 or 7 23mm cannons at nose and tails. It carried a maximum bomb load of 19,800 pounds or 9,000 kg. The Tu-16 was used by the Soviet Bomber Force and was made available to the People's Republic of China, Egypt and Iraq. Up next at number 7 is the General Dynamic F-111. The F-111 artwork is a retired American supersonic medium-range and tactical attack aircraft that also filled the roles of strategic nuclear bomber, aerial reconnaissance and electronic warfare aircraft in its various versions. Developed in the 1960s by General Dynamics, it entered service in 1967 with the United States Air Force. The Royal Australian Air Force also ordered the type and began operating F-111Cs in 1973. Powered by two turbofan engines, it had a maximum speed of about 1,700 miles per hour. Its ceiling was about 66,000 feet or 20,000 meters, and with a normal bomb load, its range was 3,690 miles or about 6,000 kilometers. The F-111 carried a crew of 2 and was armed with single 20mm cannons. It carried a maximum bomb load of 45,000 kilograms. The F-111 was used by the United States Air Force and was made available to the Australia and United Kingdom. At number 6 is the Tupolev Tu-22M. The Tupolev Tu-22M, also known as Backfire, is a long-range strategic and maritime strike bomber developed by Tupolev for the Soviet Air Force. The aircraft is currently in service with the Russian Air Force and Russian Naval Aviation. Powered by two turbojet engines, it had a maximum speed of 940 miles per hour or 1,500 km per hour. Its service ceiling is about 13,000 meters or 43,000 feet, and with a normal bomb load, its range is 4,900 km. The Tu-22M carried a crew of 3 and is armed single 20mm cannon. It can carry a maximum bomb load of 12,000 kg or 26,000 pounds. The Tu-22M is being used by Soviet Union Air Force and is made available to the Libya, Iraq and Ukraine. Up next at number 5 is the Tupolev Tu-160. The Tupolev Tu-160 is a supersonic variable sweeping heavy strategic bomber designed by the Tupolev Design Bureau in the Soviet Union in 1970. Entering service in 1987, the Tu-160 was the last strategic bomber designed for the Soviet Union. The Tu-160 active fleet has been undergoing upgrades to electronic systems since the early 2000s. The Tu-160M modernization program has begun with the first updated aircraft delivered in December 2014. Powered by 4 turbofan engine, it has a maximum speed of 2,220 km per hour or 1,880 miles per hour. Its service ceiling is about 16,000 meters or 52,000 feet. And with a normal bomb load, its range is 12,000 km. The Tu-160 carries a crew of 4. It carries a maximum bomb load of 4,000 pounds or 1,800 kg. The Tu-160 was used by Soviet Union Air Force and is made available to the Russia and Ukraine. At number 4 is the Avro Vulcan B2. The Avro Vulcan is a jet-powered, tailless, delta-wing, high-altitude strategic bomber, which was operated by Royal Air Force from 1956 until 1984. Aircraft manufacturer Avro and Company designed the Vulcan in response to supersonic B-35 or 46. Of the 3 Vulcan bombers produced, the Vulcan was considered the most technically advanced and hence the riskiest option. Several reduced scale aircraft designed Avro 707 were produced to test and refine the delta wing design principles. Powered by 4 turbojet engines, it had a maximum speed of 646 miles per hour or 1000 km per hour. Its ceiling was about 55,000 feet or 17,000 meters, and with a normal bomb load, its range is 4,195 km. The Avro Vulcan B2 carried a crew of 5. It carries a maximum bomb load of 45,000 kg. The Avro Vulcan B2 was used by the United Kingdom Air Force. Up next at number 3 is the Xi'an H6. The Xi'an H6 is a license-built version of the Soviet Tupolev Tu-16 twin-engine jet bomber built for China's People's Liberation Army's Air Force. Delivery of the Tu-16 to China began in 1958, and a license production agreement with the USSR was signed in the late 1950s. Xi'an Aircraft Industrial Corporation manufactured aircraft at Xi'an as the H6. The first flew in 1959. By November 2020, powered by 4 turbojet engines, it has a maximum speed of 1050 km per hour or 650 miles per hour. Its service ceiling is about 12,800 meter or 42,000 feet, and with a normal bomb load, its range is 6,000 km or 3,700 miles. The Xi'an H6 carries a crew of 4. It carries a maximum bomb load of 12,000 kg. The Xi'an H6 is being used by PLA Air Force and is made available to the Egypt. At number 2 is the Rockwell B1 Lancer. The Rockwell B1 Lancer is a supersonic variable sweeping heavy bomber used by the United States Air Force. It is commonly called the Bone from B1. It is one of the 3 strategic bombers in the US Air Force as of 2020. Powered by 4 turbofan engine, it has a maximum speed of 830 miles per hour or about 1500 km per hour. Its service ceiling is about 60,000 feet or 80,000 meter, and with a normal bomb load, its range is about 3,500 miles or 5,500 km. The B1 Lancer carries a crew of 4. It carries a maximum bomb load of 50,000 pounds or 23,000 kg. The B1 Lancer is being used by United States Air Force. At number 1 is the B2 Spirit. The B2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber, is an American heavy strategic bomber featuring low observable stealth technology designed for penetrating dense anti-aircraft defenses. Designed during the Cold War, the bomber can deploy both conventional and thermonuclear weapons. The B-2 is the only acknowledged aircraft that can carry large air-to-surface standoff weapons in a stealth configuration. Powered by 4 turbofan engine, it has a maximum speed of 630 miles per hour or 1010 km per hour. Its service ceiling is about 50,000 feet or about 15,000 meter, and with a normal bomb load, its range is about 7,000 miles, 11,000 km. The B2 Spirit carries a crew of 4. It carries a maximum bomb load of 40,000 lb or 18,000 kg.